Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add an iPhone device to Find My. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap your Apple account name and then select Find My. Here, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. You should also check that Share My Location is enabled if you want to share your location with other devices or people. If you want to connect another iPhone to the same Find My account, take your second device and open Settings. Tap the Apple account name at the top and make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account you're using on your first iPhone. Next, go back to Find My and make sure the required Find My settings are enabled on this device as well. Now, return to the home screen and use Spotlight Search to find the Find My app. Open it, then tap Devices at the bottom of the screen. You should now see the iPhones and other compatible devices connected to your Apple account. Tap any device to view its location and access the available tracking options. If you want to add another compatible device, tap the plus icon and select the type of device you're trying to connect. Then simply follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete the setup. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.